This is Dr. Roechelle, your Aurora Chiropractor and Health and Wellness Advisor. Many of my patients ask why an activator adjustment is better than a manual adjustment. I use activator methods or an activator instrument to adjust you because I don't have to twist, pop, or crack you. So the adjustment is very gentle but very effective. Activator methods is a full spine analysis. It allows me to adjust you from your feet all the way up to your head and give you the very precise adjustment you need. Activator has over 45 years of research behind it, and it is, for me, the best technique I can use in order to get you better. Be well.